Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm making Ayamase sauce. The ingredients you'll be needing are chopped onions, any meat or chicken of your choice, iru, which is locust beans, seasoning, chicken stock, groundnut oil, blended bell pepper with tatashe, and crayfish. First, you're going to steam blended green pepper bell with tatashe. When the green pepper bell is fully steamed, you're going to keep it aside. In another pan, you're going to add groundnut oil. Let the oil sizzle, and then you add chopped onions. Next, you are going to add iru, which is also called locust beans. Then your crayfish. If you want your Ayamase sauce to be extra spicy, you can add chopped pepper or blended pepper at this point. Now you add your seasoning. Then you add chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, that's absolutely fine. You can also use water. Let that boil for some time. Then you add the steamed bell pepper. This is the key ingredient for our Ayamase sauce. Now we're going to let it cook. As you can see, my Ayamase is already looking very good. Now you can add chicken, meat, beef. You can add it at this point, but it has to be cooked. But in this video, I'm using grilled chicken wings. And that is how you make your Ayamase sauce.